So friends, in this video right now I'll show you how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you have to do is just move on WhatsApp. Then here you have to click on this three dot. Okay, on the side you'll find it. Then here click on setting. Here you have to move to account, move on account. Okay, then here is the two-step verification. So click on it. Here, if you want to enable or turn on two-step verification, click on enable. Okay, here you have to give 6-digit pin. Okay, suppose I give 1 2 3 4 5 6, then here you have to confirm the same digit. Okay, 6-digit pin, same one. Retype the pin previous one. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's done. So here you have to give your email. Okay, email. After you have set your email, click on next. Okay, and here what you have to do is confirm your email address, the previous. Okay, add the previous email address that you have been saved. Then here you have to click on save. Okay, after you have add the same, you have to just confirm, okay, the previous one, and then click on save. Okay, and here you'll find like this. Okay, what is this? You just click on done so that you will be enabled two-step verification on WhatsApp. You are going to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. Okay, so click on done, and here it's done. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.